How to fix Samsung messages not working on Samsung phone. So if at the end of the day you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. If you discover that the messages application on your Samsung phone stopped working, then this is what you should do to fix it. Samsung is retiring the messaging app. That shows in the next few months, the Samsung messaging application will stop working. The only messaging app you can use is the Google Messaging app. Now, what you want to do to fix the Google Messages app not working is this. Go ahead and open the Settings app. Scroll down, click on Apps. Click on Choose Default Apps. Click on XMS app. And go ahead and select the Google Messages app here. If you have the Samsung Messages app selected, select Google Messages. After that, go ahead and open the Messages app on your phone. You should see the Google Messages app working instead of your Samsung messaging app. And go ahead and open the Google Messages app on your phone. And now you should see this pop-up that says Google Messages is now your default messaging app. Go ahead and click on Google Messages and then you are good. So that's exactly how to fix Samsung messaging app not working on Samsung phone. If you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.